All right, hello everyone. This is a quick video on how to recalibrate your tire pressures after you refilled your tires. It's not gonna do it automatically. This 2021 Honda Civic. So let me show you how to do it real quick. Just gotta go here to settings, vehicle, TPMS calibration. Hit calibrate, and as long as you filled all the tires up to the correct pressure, the light will go off. So there it is, quick and easy. Just have the car on. It's surprising that it doesn't do it automatically, but it's not that hard to set it back to normal.